Hello everyone and welcome to the video. My name is Jared Jackson and today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to use tethered shooting on the Sony a7 IV. Now this can be used with practically any Sony mirrorless camera. You just need to download a few things. And so what we're going to do is, number one, you need a camera, and preferably this method we're going to be using USB-C. Number one, you're going to have a USB-C port on your camera. And number two, you're going to need a USB-C cord. Double check your cord. I recently had a shoot, bought an extended USB-C cord. What I found out is that it didn't have enough data to send it to the camera. So it was able to connect, but it didn't send anything. So that was really embarrassing. So always make sure to test out your USB-C cord. Without further ado, let's go to the software you need on your PC. All right, so for the PC, you're going to need this remote viewer. Let me slide. You're gonna need to download the remote, the remote, the viewer, and the edit, preferably if you want to. From here, you wanna make sure to plug in your USB-C to your computer. Now we wanna make sure to turn on our camera. Now from your camera settings, you're going to see something that says PC remote function. So you're going to take your USB-C and plug it right into your camera. And a menu should automatically pop up, and you want to click the remote shoot for PC remote. So we're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to go back to the camera, and we're back to the computer. We're going to start remote shoot, and your camera should automatically pop up if your USB-C is the right USB-C. Now, if it doesn't, I would recommend buying a new USB-C cord just to try it out. So we're going to double click this. It's going to say connecting, waiting for a response from the camera. And now from here, we can see exactly what we're seeing right here on the lens. If you guys want a real time, that's what it is. A little bit less lag. So there's some cool things you can do with this. So right now we're there. We can autofocus to any point. We can autofocus to any point we want to. For instance, let's say we want to go over here. We can click that and that little square will have it there. We can also change the shutter speed if we want to raise it up. If we want to change the aperture, we can bring it down. If we want to raise the ISO up, we can also raise the ISO. So that is how you get it connected. Really simple and really quick. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really a seamless process. Sony has done a fantastic job allowing tethered shooting to be literally plug and play. So just download it and go. You don't need internet for this. You need internet to download it, but whenever you're on set or you're on the shoot, you really don't need Wi-Fi. If you're in a pinch and your cord doesn't work, it can do Wi-Fi, and that's a way to get around it, but it takes a while longer for the photos to show up. So in a pinch, you can totally do that. There's a whole menu on the camera that shows you how to do wireless setup. If you guys want a video, that's something I can do, but it's really step-by-step that goes through. For this video, once again, just make sure that you have a USB-C cord that works, because if it is not capable, it will not do it. And like I said, I've already been there and experienced that, so I'm trying to make you guys not experience the same thing I had to go through. But that's the best way you learn that's the best way to learn, right? Whenever you're on set with a paying client, you're like, I'm never gonna let this happen again. So that's why I'm here in this video. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, try to take a photo every day. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video.